Hello everyone. Uh, Today I just want to introduce you my sardines recipe. I call this in our language Filipino, Tagalog, uh, pambansang ulam, the Filipino at quarantine time. Because Filipino love sardines. So we have a lots of different kinds of recipe for these sardines. And now I'm going to cook like tortang sardines. So I prepare this one slice of potatoes. I prepare 2 potatoes in a slice, or a little slice, cube slice, and then 3 pieces of scrambled egg. I put already the black pepper. I use this one. What's this? This one. I use this. And we have 3 cloves of garlic and 1 red onion. And I'm going to mix together. So before anything else, now this is the sardine, the hot and the mild. No, mild, normal. No hot. This is red hot Ligo, my favorite, and my husband's favorite. So I'm going to mash. Now is already mashed the sardines, and I separate the sabaw. Maybe later I will use that. So next I'm going to put the sardines to this big bowl with the potatoes. Yes. This, and then the eggs put together. Ayan. And next, this. Yes. Ayan. And mix together. And by the way, I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. This is again my pambansang ulam, sardinas, paborito Pilipino at quarantine time. Ayan. Yan na siya, ready to fry. Para hindi siya hiwa-hiwalay. Just put 1 spoon whole of flour. Ayan, lalagyan ko siya ng flour para hindi siya maghiwa-hiwalay. Ayan. Okay guys, ayan, nag-reheat ako for my frying pan. Now we're going to start. Ito na siya. Oh, hindi pa mainit. So, but anyway, hindi pa mainit. Ito kanina ko pa ininit. So, it's okay. Ayan. 1 spoon full lang linalagay ko. But anyway, iinit na ito. Hirap kasi pag mabigla naman. Ayan. Isa pa. Here. Ayan. Maliliit lang. Ayan na sila. Ayan, almost upside down. This is my tortang sardines or ginisang sardines. Super delicious. My second round. Ito na guys ang aking pambansang ulam. Ano ba ang pambansang ulam? Para sa akin ay ang pambansang ulam sa quarantine natin ay sardinas anywhere along the globes. Mga Pilipinos, they love eating sardines. So, tinatawag ko siyang pambansang ulam, sardinas, emergency ulam, right? And I hope nagustuhan nyo ang aking mini tortang sardines, may pambansang ulam. God bless everyone, and I hope nagustuhan nyo. Bye now, and may God bless. Keep safe, still keep on praying. Okay, don't forget to pray to God that God is good all the time.